Alright, I'm going to show you how I set it up. Some people have been struggling with the pixels selection, so I'm just going to do a short guide, nothing too serious, just show you how I set it up. So when you're in the mine, you want to go over to Set Pixel, Mine Hub, Cave Lobby. Go up to one of the green letters, press F1. If you're on laptop, you might need to press your function key along with F1 to make these selections work. The next one is going into the game. So you need to select Mine Hub Cart. Select this pixel. Sometimes, like you see this guy, he's standing right in the way. Sometimes if you click over here, you'll end up like clicking on their profile and it will mess the whole thing up. So I like to select back here on the wood panels. Click F1 and then we can go right into it. I missed a step. So once you're here, you also have to select this button. So down here on the Minecart Master app, select your yes button. Okay, and then we set our play button. Okay, here's where it gets interesting. So we're in game. We don't really have to stress out about a lot right now. We just wait until we fall. What you need to do first is set your in-game HUD. So this will be the pixel right here. Any of the white letters, really. You want to set your continue pixel to one of the white letters here. And okay, now we're going to do turns. These are a little weird. I'm going to show you how to do them the live way. So I'll get right into it right now. Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the signs where the signs leave yellow. So I'll play it right now. I'm going to look for a left-hand turn sign on the right wall. I'm going to look for the top of it. So I click select set top. I come over here and I press spacebar. I have my hand on the mouse. Okay, we're getting a right-hand turn, so I got to turn around that. Waiting for the right. Now, try to memorize where that last yellow was. I think I saw some sign yellow right here. So I'm going to press F1. And then I'm going to put my finger on the screen. I'm going to click set bottom. And I'm just going to go about the same distance from the ceiling here. Here's our original mark. Distance from the ceiling, distance to the floor. And I'll usually call that good. So now, the left-hand turn is complete. Now we have to do the right-hand turn. We're going to do the same exact thing. Hopefully this time will make a little bit more sense. First, I'm going to set my top. And then I'm going to come click back on Kart Surfer. And I'm going to get ready to turn because we don't want these signs. We don't want those ones. We want these ones. So I still got my... Okay, here we go. Now I'm going to try to memorize where that last yellow was. Right up here. Looks good to me. I'm going to put my finger on the screen. I'm going to click select bottom. And same thing. Distance from ceiling, kind of in line vertically. Distance from floor. So I'm going to go right here, press F1. Now the only last thing we need to do is exit out, but don't go too far yet. You want to set your game over pixel to be the center of this blue stamp. And you want to make your score close / X pixel, the X right here, pressing F1 and finishing the setup. So now, if I click start auto loop, it's not going to work. Why isn't it working? Oh, that's funny. I figured it out. It's because I have color on my mouse. So it was looking for the wrong colors. And I'm a bit of an idiot. So I'm going to run through this whole thing again. But that's what it's all about. There we go. It's not picking up my turns very well right now. So I may have to adjust where I'm actually reading those. Okay, we need to set this as well. And you can kind of see where it will run into problems. Like right now, like it's doing tricks fine. It knows we're in the game. It sees this turn, so it looks like maybe this side is... Let's see if it does this. Yeah, so it keeps missing those turns. Keeps missing the left-hand turns. So I'm going to try to set it up while it's running. So like right here, I feel like there's some good coming through. And then maybe right there. We'll see how it goes. It requires a little bit of tweaking if you're going to do it the live way. Yeah, okay. So we tweaked it, and now it's working. Yeah, so there you guys have it. I hope this helped solve some of your issues with pixel detection inside of Minecart Master V1. If you guys have any more questions, drop them in the comments.